Hello YouTube. This is the cutest dog ever. Look at him. Look at him. Aww. He's the best dog ever. Isn't he? He's the bestest. Right, Coco? His name is Coco. And yeah. Yeah, he likes to play a lot. Mostly with his teddy bear, which he took all the white stuff out of. Alright, Coco. Am I right? Am I right, Coco? Look at him. He's so cute. Anyway, thank you YouTube for watching. Wait. Please pause after this commercial. Alright. Wait, pause again. Blah 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 blah. Hey, what are you doing? No! Ow! I love you. Alright, guess who's here with us today again? It's Lightball. Say hi, Lightball. So, Lightball, are you a secret spy like Bronco? Oh, he can't tell. Yes. Ow! Come on, man.
Why did you have to tell my secret?
They had to know, at least Bronco told them.
But you know, don't tell everybody else.
Right, your hair is like... There you go.
You kiss my hair!
Or not. Ah, come on, man, no swinging. So, Lightball.
I told you, my name is not Honey.
What is it then? Was it Butterfinger? Then what is it then? You like my shirt? So, shirt. Anyway, does anybody know how to skateboard? I have a skateboard right here in my house. I will show you it. Please pause. Ow! Where's it at? Where is that skateboard? Ah! Come on. Where is that? How did it get all the way down? That's not good. Yeah, that is. YouTube, watch my next video, number 2.